acceleration due to gravity is not constant. It is changes. It is varies. It is varies. It is changes. Now we have two topics under this article. One is acceleration due to gravity above the surface of earth. Next topic, acceleration due to gravity below the surface of the earth. We know that earth, spherical shape, when object is above it, this is not above, it is also above. Why? On the earth it is the north pole, it is the south pole, it is the equator. So this also called above. Okay, when the object is above the surface of earth, the acceleration due to gravity is less. When height is increases, acceleration due to gravity is decreases. Now we want to derive the mathematical expression for it. Now let us see. This is earth, mass m, radius r. Radius r, mass is m. Now let us take one object of mass m, h height from the surface of earth. Is it h height from the surface of the earth? Relation between small g and capital G when m mass of object is at r plus h distance from the center of m mass of the earth is. We write equation GH is equal to GM by r plus h square. Let us take equation 1. We know that relation between small g and capital G, if the object on the surface of the earth is, means this object is here. In the last class we proved that the acceleration due to gravity, what is the equation? G is equal to Gm by r square. That is equation 2. When the object is on the surface of the earth, G is equal to Gm by r square. When the object is above the surface of the earth at height h is changes, the GH also changes. Equation is GH is equal to G as it is, M as it is, instead of R, what we can take? R plus H whole square. Let us take equation 2 this. It is at h height, it is on the earth. Now divide them, GH by G, GM cancel. GH by G is equal to R square by R plus H whole square. So you take G here, GH is equal to G into R square by R plus H whole square. Okay, let us take R square is common. R square cancel. GH is equal to G into 1 plus H by R square. Okay, G is on the earth, it is divided by something, automatically GH value what happened? Less, decreases. Okay, this is in the denominator, you take this in the numerator, this power becomes minus. So GH is equal to G into 1 plus H by R minus 2. Here H, height, so much less than r, h is so much less than r, we use one theorem used in the mathematics, that is binomial theorem. As per binomial theorem, whatever the power, that should be multiplied by this value, but condition is this is so much denominator is so much greater than numerator is less. Under this condition only we use the binomial theorem. We get the equation as GH is equal G into 1 minus 2H by R. But here what happened? 1 minus something. That's why this G value is greater than GH, or GH is less than G. So G value decreases with altitude. Altitude means above the surface of earth. The height is increases, the G is decreases. Okay? When the altitude, when the height is increases, the acceleration due to gravity, what happened? Decreases. When we go to the height, what about the acceleration due to gravity? When we go to the height, acceleration due to gravity, what happened? Decreases. What is the equation for it? GH is equal to G by 1 plus H by R whole square. GH is equal to G by 1 plus H by R whole square, or GH is equal to G into 1 minus 2H by R. Okay? This is one of the important question for 4 marks. Now, we want to discuss another topic. Both are 4 plus 4, 8 marks question. Now, what is that one? Acceleration due to gravity below the surface of the earth. Now, what we want to derive the equation? Acceleration due to gravity below the surface of the earth. Now, let us see how we can prove that. First, all of you record this. Okay? Now, let us take, this is the earth. Now, this is the radius of the earth and its mass is m. Now, this is the surface. You take one point is here. At this point, now this point is located at depth D. Located at depth D. Now let us take one circle. Now here you take m mass of the particle. Now the object is inside the earth. Earth is a homogeneous medium, and when the object means when we can take m mass of the particle inside the earth, what about acceleration due to gravity here? This is the center of the earth. Next, relation between small g and capital G for homogeneous object. Here it is, what happened? Earth is G is equal to 4 by 3 pi G m D. What is the D? Density. D is density, or here it is D into R. Okay? This we can get in the last class. What is the equation for homogeneous medium? G is equal to 4 by 3 pi G D R. In the last class we are proved that when the density is considered the equation G proportional to R. This is the relation between small g and capital G for homogeneous object. Means here homogeneous object is which one? Earth. Now, relation between small g and capital G when m mass of the object is located at depth d, which is r minus d distance from the center of the earth is. Now what we can write? G d you write. Gd is equal to 4 by 3 pi G, d is density, but what is the distance now? Here it is r minus d. Which distance here? Here it is r minus d. Okay, this is m mass of the particle. Here to here it is how much? R minus d. Here to here it is d. Now let us take this is here it is equation 1, this is equation 2. Now from 1 comma 2, from 1 comma 2, Gd by G is equal to 4 by 3 pi Gd by r minus d by 4 by 3 pi Gdr. These all are cancel. So Gd by G is equal to, means it is depth, r minus d by r. So Gd by G into, let us take r is common, 1 minus d by r by r cancel. So Gd by G is equal to 1 minus d by r. And finally what we can get the equation? Gd is equal to G into 1 minus d by r. This is the acceleration due to gravity at the depth of the earth. Means when we go inside the earth, acceleration due to gravity, what happened? Decreases. Why? Here it is Gd depth, G into 1 minus something. That's why here it is Gd is less than G. Means G value decreases with depth. Okay, means when we go inside the earth, G value what happened? Decreases. Acceleration due to gravity below the surface of the earth is decreases, above the surface of earth is decreases. Okay, but below the earth, when the distance, means when the depth is increases, acceleration due to gravity is decreases. If D is equal to R, if D is equal to R, means at the center of the earth, what happened? GD is equal to G into 1 minus R by R, cancel. GD is equal to G into 1 minus 1. So GD is equal to G into 1 minus R by R. So GD is equal to G into 1 minus 1. Then GD is equal to how much? 0. Means how much the acceleration due to gravity at the center of the earth? At the center of the earth, acceleration due to gravity is how much? 0. Means acceleration due to gravity is decreases when height is increases. Acceleration due to gravity is increases when altitude, means height is increases. Not only that, acceleration due to gravity also decreases when we go below the surface of the earth. Above the surface of the earth, below the surface of the earth. In both cases, acceleration due to gravity is decreases. At above, what is the principle? GH is equal to G into 1 minus 2H by R, and at depth, GD is equal to G into 1 minus D by R. But at the center of the earth, acceleration due to gravity, what happened? 0. Okay, these two topics are very, very, very important in this chapter. You must be practice both, and till you can get thoroughly. These two are very, very important. Okay.